So this classes is under the contain the classes contain the large quantity Jewish drug substances or drug parts. Means we discuss all the introductory part, what is the mother tincture and which classes are goes on mother tincture variety and which classes are goes on mother solution. This all about we discuss. Please go through this video. In this video we go towards the detailed explanation of these classes, how the classes Jewish mother tincture is formed. So how this class 1 is formed and how the mother tincture of this class 1 is prepared, we discuss in this all things about in this video. So class 1 mainly contain the large quantity juicy drug substance which goes under these classes. Means the plants which produce large amount of juice substance are under these classes. First thing we should remember, and these plants are mainly include from which area, that is European country. Now the second thing which we go was the in all things we discuss, but in a very short time, that is our rapid revision of this video is only for the rapid revision of the classes. So large quantity of juicy substance are goes under these classes. Then second thing, that the principle or the tincture of the mother tincture, how it is prepared on. So mother tincture which we prepared are the principle of this. So principle regarding to the preparation of a mother tincture is that it contains 1 part of the drug substance, 1 part of weight of the drug part is 1 part. With it we add 1 part of vehicle, that is our alcohol. In this mother tincture we discussed before that the class 1 the vehicle is our strong alcohol. And what is its density? Its density means its volume by volume is 95%. It contains the alcohol, and specific gravity of this alcohol is 0.815 to 0.816. So this is all things about the vehicle which we used in this preparation. So now the third thing which we should remember, that how to prepare the mother tincture. So that is preparation of a mother tincture. After the principle we knowing, then we go towards the preparation of mother tincture. So in this class the solution which is formed is mother tincture. So what is the things is goes under this heading, that we require material. Which material? The material which is our drug and our vehicle, that is our ingredients. Ingredients means the part of the drugs which used in this mother tincture formation, ingredient. And another is our apparatus. So I only briefly verbally discuss that what are the ingredients we take. That we take a fresh plant. So in ingredient we take fresh plant, and the plant, fresh plant, which plant? That is selected drug which are contain more juicy substance is present. The plant which contain more juice are goes to this. Then after it the strong alcohol, that is our vehicle. These things are remembered to in the part of the ingredient. After that apertures. So to prepare a mother tincture, the apertures are wooden chopping board, knife, percolation mortar, pestle. These are all things you always remember. And the apparatus which is required for the mother tincture, I also have a video in the description box, you can find it. After the apparatus we go towards the procedure. And in the procedure, just as we discussed before, that the fresh plant is taken. In the first video you can see that I discuss all about the procedure, that what is the procedure. The fresh plant cut. First the cutting of the fresh plant occur to small pieces. After cutting the fresh plant into small pieces, then put it into the percolation mortar and the pestle. I only mention in shortly. After that we go towards the put it into glass jar. Means the substance which we poured or the we collected, we put into the glass jar. Then after glass jar we add equal amount of alcohol. Then what we do, then press the jar so that we can extract the juicy substance or the mother tincture. After that we take it into the dark cool place for 8 days. This is the thing which we discuss in the procedure. Then next part is our main part. What is it? Calculation of drug power. How we calculate the drug power which present of the class 1 mother tincture. So for this we should know that what amount of drug we take. First, the amount of drug which we take is 1 part. To it we add one vehicle, that is our strong alcohol we take, that is about 1 part, that is 1 ml. 1 part means here the part signifies the amount or the a measurement amount, means here the part is always just, if I say a spoon, here I mention part regarding as a spoon, then we take 1 part of the 1 spoon of the drug which contain more juicy, with it 1 spoon of the vehicle stronger. You can, I suppose that you can understand from this example. Now what do you do? Then our 1 ml of 1 ml means 1 ml, it is not 1 ml, it is about 1 part plus 1 part, that is 2 part, that is 2 ml. Ml means 2 part of mother tincture is formed. So after the formation of the mother tincture, our main things is drug power, that is DP is equal to 1:2. What does mean drug power? The amount of a medicine substance present in that mother tincture is known as drug power. In that 2 ml, 1 part is drug. So in 1 part, what amount of the drug is present? 1/2. You can understand. 2 ml contain 1 part, means 2 ml of a mother tincture contain 1 part of the medicine. So 1 ml contain what amount? 1/2. That is the thing I write. After that we go towards the centesimal scale and decimal scale of that class 1. So in centesimal and decimal, how Dr. Henneman prepared this drug under these classes. So in the centesimal scale, how we go towards the centesimal scale? By knowing this drug power. Drug power is important for going towards the fast potency, that is in the centesimal scale it is written as C. It is the mother tincture drug power. After mother tincture we go towards the potentized form, that is 1C. 1C contain 2 minim of so in 2 minim of what? 2 minim of our you can see from the drug power is 1:2. So due to 1:2 we take 2 minim of that drug, that is drug of mother tincture. With it we add 98, because it is a centesimal scale. Centesimal scale contain 100 part. So in the 2 minim if you take mother tincture, then 98 minim of which alcohol? Dilute alcohol. Dilute alcohol is our vehicle. Dilute alcohol. With it 100 downward stroke is 100 not 100 10 downward stroke was given. 10 downward stroke. So that we found 1C. And the next to C is that 1 part of the 1C plus 99 part of dispensable alcohol plus 10 downward stroke. With this manner we go towards the next potency, that is why if we go towards the 3C, then what we do? Please say that is 1 part of 2C, 99 part of dispensing alcohol plus 10 downward stroke. In this way we go towards the next higher potency. In the decimal scale what we do? 1:2 means 2 minim of 1x, 2 minim of what? 2 minim of our drug of mother tincture which we prepare before. With it add what? That is here decimal means 10. So 2 minim is drug of mother tincture, then 8 minim of dilute alcohol. In fast potency we take dilute, then next potency we take dispensing, and in the mother tincture we take strong alcohol. That is the all thing which we remember. After that all are simple. So 8 minim of dilute alcohol plus 10 downward stroke. The stroke how to give I will mention in just previous video. You can see on the description box or in the I button. So 10 downward stroke, so that we found 1x. After 1x we go towards the 2x. In 2x 1 minim of 1x plus 9 minim of dispensable alcohol. Here dispensing Further potency we use dispensing. After it 10 downward stroke. In this way we go towards the higher potency. So this is all about the class 1 mother tincture preparation. After class 1 we go towards the class 2.